Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, Lila and her pals had a fantastic idea. They wanted to start a magical music band. They dreamed of performing at the upcoming Enchanted Village Festival, filling the air with their sweet melodies and catchy tunes. Lila gathered her friends, Tommy the turtle, Bella the bunny, and Sammy the squirrel, and together they set out on their musical adventure. But as they began planning, they realized they faced a big problem. They didn't have any instruments. "Oh no, how will we play music without instruments?" Lila exclaimed, her brow furrowed with worry. But Fluffly, ever the clever pup, wagged his tail and suggested, "Woof! Let's use our imagination and creativity to make our own instruments." And so, the friends got to work, scouring the forest for objects they could repurpose into musical marvels. Tommy found some old plastic bottles, Bella gathered up some twigs, and Sammy collected nuts and seeds. "Look what I found!" Lila cried, holding up a handful of shiny rocks. "We can use these as drumsticks." With their newfound treasures in hand, the friends set to work crafting their instruments. Tommy fashioned a guitar out of an empty cereal box. Bella created a xylophone from the twigs, and Sammy turned his nuts and seeds into maracas. But their biggest challenge was yet to come. They needed to come up with a catchy song to perform at the festival. What should our song be about?" Lila pondered, tapping her chin thoughtfully. Fluffly barked excitedly. "Woof, woof! Let's sing about friendship and adventure." And so, with Fluffly's suggestion in mind, they set to work writing their song. They sang about their magical forest home, their fun-filled adventures, and most importantly, their unbreakable bond of friendship. As the day of the festival arrived, the friends felt a mix of excitement and nerves. Would their homemade instruments and original song be enough to wow the crowd? But as soon as they took the stage and began to play, something magical happened. The villagers cheered and clapped along to their music, their smiles lighting up the night sky. "Bravo!" the villagers cheered as the friends took their final bow. That was positively pawsome. Lila and her friends beamed with pride, knowing that they had created something truly special together. And as they walked home beneath the twinkling stars, they knew that with a little imagination and a lot of teamwork, anything was possible.